Hey, sixth graders, it's Mrs. Johnson. Today's Thursday, May 19th. I am going to be out today, so I'd like you to be watching this video so that you know what you need to do today so that you can stay on task and get started on your project. So we are going to be writing a research paper. I know that we talked a little bit about this earlier, and you are going to get to choose the topic that you would like to choose. So what you are going to do today first is you're going to start and click where it says Introduction right here. That will bring you to this page. It says we've learned a lot this year about astronomy and space. However, there are numerous topics that we didn't learn about. Now is your chance to complete research on a topic of your choice. Here's an overview of the steps in the project. So today we're going to be choosing our topic and then starting to find some of our sources and doing research. Okay, so we'll find first source, read the article and record the main ideas. Find a second source, read the article. Choose 3 subtopics. We'll find our details, write our outline, type our rough draft, complete works cited, revise and edit, and then submit our paper in Schoology. So this is similar to the research paper that you did in ELA earlier this year. You did it on a Minnesota, something related to Minnesota. I think I remember reading one about Charles Pillsbury, I think. So it's the same process, but this topic will be on space that you get to pick. So that's what we're going to be doing. So your first thing that you're going to do today is I want you to open up, first of all, the organizer that you'll be finding everything in. And that's linked right here where it says Start Research Project. It's actually linked at the top of every single slide in this slideshow. So let's find that. All right. I'm just going to go back to the link here. When you go into here, this is the whole folder of all the different steps. This is all broken down, so don't go ahead and get worried about all the things you need to do. We'll take it one step at a time. So if you open the Space Exploration Research Project Organizer, this has some due dates. These due dates are a little bit off because we had to add the extra day yesterday to finish the test. So don't worry too much about these. I'll let you know updated due dates. All right. So what you'll do is you'll open up your My Document. Mine's down here. And you aren't going to be submitting this anytime soon. You're going to be just using this as a reference, okay? Again, these dates are going to be a little bit off. All right, so today, the first thing you're going to be doing is step 1, choosing your topic. If you are not sure of something that you would like to do for your topic, you can click back on the agenda where it says Choose Topic right here. And there are some ideas listed. Okay, so I have the space race, exploring Mars, International Space Station, different types of telescopes, black holes, any of the Apollo missions. You might want to do a Google search to narrow that down. Same thing with the Pioneer or Voyager missions, the Mars rovers, SpaceX you could go into. Stay away, please, from aliens or if there's life on other planets. That stuff is really interesting to learn about, but it's hard to find credible information. Okay, you could also, if you want to learn more about asteroids or a particular planet, you could even do your paper on those things, except for Earth. Don't choose Earth. All right, after you choose your topic, you will type that into your topic choice here, and I would like that done today. Then you are going to start step 2, which is your research. It says it's due by the end of class on Friday, but I'm likely going to give you Monday as well, okay, because we're a day behind. So from the agenda, sorry, I'm lost in all my tabs here, you'll click on the Start Research. And you have used Mac and VIA, I know, but what you'll need to do is find 2 sources for your research. So to find your 2 sources, start with the credible databases available through RMS, Mac, and VIA. Some information may be the same in each of your 2 sources, but look for some different details. So first you're going to watch this video that Mrs. Allen made, just a reminder on how to use Mac and VIA. All right. Then you're going to go back into Rapid Identity onto your dashboard and click on Mac and VIA. I don't have it bookmarked on mine, but I think it's bookmarked on yours. If it's not, go up here and do a search for it. Then you are going to find some articles, starting with 1 article on your topic. Okay. You'll link the title and article citation in here. You'll read the article and record 3 main ideas, details, notes. Then when you're done with that, you'll do the same thing for your second article and record your main ideas. Now for these title and links, Mrs. Allen explains to you how to find that in the screencast, so please make sure you watch that if you're unsure. She also has links down here to some pages that can help you find that information as well. Okay, so that is what you're going to be doing today. You will for sure get your topic chosen and then get started on your research. I'd for sure try to find one source and start reading it and start taking your notes. And then tomorrow you can look at the second source. All right. You can email me with any questions. I'll try to respond if I am able. Otherwise, I will help you out on Friday. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.